Assalamu alaikum, welcome back and to another video. So you know this place, if you are my regular viewers, you know about this place obviously. So this is a school field, and it is one of the renowned and also oldest field in our union. So today the number of people are students also, they are playing football this area, so it is very popular area. But today is Friday and others beside the union there is a final match is going on, and for this reason there is no enough player, or especially there is no any big match in this field. So you know, in front of me there is a lot of cloud here due to because nowadays it is raining in the early morning heavily, and for this reason it's happened. So it's a talk, so there is also a group of people, they're talking with each other. Most of them are friends because they are same age as much as I know. So there is also another there is a short bar here. Children are usually play this area, so overall it's very good. So now I'm alone, there is no person beside me, so it is very good to feel here because I love to play here. I love to usually I'm not interested to play football nowadays in this area. I love to play cricket, but this field is perfect for football because the tendency or interest playing football, it is high than any other game in Bangladesh. Also cricket is increasing nowadays, and they are same ages, they are playing too much because football most of the people like, because football can touch everyone, every player. In case of cricket is very hard because there is, you know, if you play cricket, if you're a good player, you play cricket fast, you play bat fast, you play ball fast, so you are all rounder. And a good number of these people or cricketer cannot play, they have to go down, or they had to go to bat down place, or had to ball at the last moment. So for this reason, by the way, this ground is absolutely beautiful, and it is about evening time, also dusk time. I like this place, and this is my only one of the best place where I take rest alone, and all over that it's happening here. So this is about my video. Here's a lot of things to know about this place. If you live in Dhaka city, if you live in any city where there is no field available, you feel how important is a football field or cricket field actually. Or if you live in a village, you can get the feeling, you can get the pleasure, you can get the happiness in this area actually. So goodbye all of them, I will come back next video with new area in other place, other time, other moment. At that time, keep practicing, keep learning. Goodbye from this video.